I am going to teach about angle. An angle is formed by two rays having a common starting point. Here is an angle formed by the rays BD and BE, where B is a common starting point as shown in the figure. The point B is called vertex of the angle and the rays BD and BE are called the arms of the angle. How can we can name this angle? We can simply use a vertex and say that is a angle B. To the clear, we use a point on each of the arms together with the vertex to the name of the angle. In this case, we name the angle as DBE or EBD. The word angle can be replaced by the symbol that is angle, that is angle DBE or angle EBD. Okay. So note that to specify the angle, the vertex is always written in the middle letter. To indicate the angle, we use small curved at the vertex. Refer to the figure. Okay. Now Vidya has just opened her book. Let us observe her opening the cover of the book in the different scenarios. Case 1, case 2, check out case 3, case 4 and case 5 and case 6. So you do see the being made in each of these cases. Can you mark their arms and vertex? Which angle is greater? The angle case 1 or angle case 2. Just as we talk about the size of the line based on the length, we also talk about the size of the angle based on the amount of rotation. So angle case 2 is greater as in the case she needs to rotate the cover more. Similarly, the angle in the case 3 even larger than the case 2 because there is even more rotations, and case 4 and 5, 6 are successively larger angles with more and more rotations. Okay, the size of the angle is the amount of rotation or turn that is needed above the vertex to move the first ray to the second ray. Okay, let us take some other examples where angle can arise in a real life by rotation in the turn. In compass or divider, we turn the arms off to form an angle. The vertex is the point where the two arms are joined. Identify the arms and vertex of the angles. A pair of scissors has two blades. When we open, turn them or to cut something blade to form an angle. Identify the arms and angles. Okay, look at the picture of the septacles, wallets and other common objects. Identify the angle of them are marking. This you can do your this is a task for you guys. Please comment down like how you have done this one. Do you see these angles are formed by the turning one arm with the respect to other? Okay guys, fine. So this figure it out we are going to do in the next class. Thank you. About comparing the angles. Look at these animals opening their mouth. Do you see any angle here? If you yes, mark the arms and vertex of each one. Some mouths are open wider than the others. The more it's turning of the jaws and the larger angle. Can you arrange the angle in the picture and from the smallest to the largest? Okay, it's always easy to compare two angles. Here are the some angles. Label each of the angles. How will you compare them? Draw a few more angles, label them and compare. Comparing angle by the imposition. Any two angles compared by the placing them over the other, that is by superimposition. While the superimposing, the vertex of the angle must be overlap. So after superimposition, it becomes clear which angle is smaller and which is a greater. So the picture shows the two angles superimposed. It is now clear that PQR is larger than the ABC. Okay guys, equal angles. Now consider angle AOB and angle XOY in the figure, which is greater. So corner of the both these angles matches and arms overlap with each other. That is OA, OX and OB, OY. So the angles are equal in size. The reason these angles are considered to be equal in the size because when we visualize each of these angles are being formed out of rotation, we can see that there is an equal amount of rotation needed to move OB to OA and OY to OX from the point to with view of superimposition. When two angles are superimposed and the common vertex and the two rays of the both angles lie on top of each other, then the sizes of angles are equal. Okay.